Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to delete your Facebook page. So for you to do that, you have to click on this menu icon, then you click on this arrow button, then you click on any page of your choice. So for the case of this video, we're going to click on the test page. Okay, good. Then you can see we've switched to test page. Then you click on the menu icon. Then you click on settings, which is the gear button. Then you scroll down to access control. You can see down here. Then we click. Okay. Let's give it a few minutes to load. Okay, good. You can see right over here, deactivation and deletion. Then you click. So then you come down here, then you delete your page. So for you to do that, you have to continue. Then you continue. And you continue. Then you have to input your Facebook password or your Facebook passcode. After that, you click continue, then your Facebook page has been successfully deleted. That's how you can delete your Facebook page. Thank you very much.